Hello, my name is Anna from YesIT Labs, and today I'm going to demonstrate a wonderful application, Player One, where users connect with each other as friends, then rate each other based on resonant qualities. The user will earn virtual coins based on their ratings. The user is also able to endorse their business on the platform. It starts with a splash screen, and to log in, the user can enter the email ID and password. On successful login, the user is redirected to the main screen, that is the map screen. On the map screen, the user is also able to see the other user with their billboards. Now, clicking on your own avatar, the user will be redirected to the user's profile. By clicking on the Play One icon, the user can see its earning and Playcoin balances. From here, the user can also share the invite code for the signups. By clicking on the second tiles, the user can see the ratings given to him by other users. The third icon is the battery icon, which indicates the power level of the user. The fourth icon is the briefcase icon where the user can see its billboards, and by clicking on plus icon, the user can start adding more billboards. After the billboard is added, the user can also see it on the map screen. The next is the message icon, which redirects the user to the message screen where he can see the users in whom he is in contact with, and here the user can also send them the messages. The popsicle icon shows the popsicle screen, and by clicking on plus icon, the user is able to add more popsicles. By clicking on the submit button, the user is able to pose the popsicle on the map screen. By clicking on the next tile, the user is redirected to the profile screen where he can edit his profile. By clicking on the sonar icon, the user is redirected to the screen where a pop-up comes for sharing the location. If the user clicks on yes, he is allowing other users to view his location. Here, if the user selects any other user and clicks on the smiley icon, he is able to give the ratings. Similarly, the Playcoin icon allows the user to send Playcoin to the other users. Clicking on popsicle icon will open the popsicles of the user if they have added any. The top 100 icon allows the user to remove or add the other users from his top 100 list. Clicking on needs icon will open the profile of the other user, and by clicking on mini sonar will show the location of the other user on the map. Clicking on the message icon will take the user to the personal conversation screen with the other user. By clicking on the filter icon, the user is redirected to the contact filter screen where he can filter users on the basis of various prospects. By clicking on the hamburger menu on the header, the user is redirected to the screen where he is able to add play coins. By clicking on update avatar, the user is able to select the avatar, and the avatar with Playcoin are the premium avatars for which the user has to pay. The user is able to switch off the GPS by turning off the GPS settings. The user can also hide his briefcase by turning off the hide briefcase icon. By clicking on the reset password button, the user is able to reset the password. Player management button allows the user to report or block any other users. The user is able to delete account by clicking on delete account tile, and by clicking on sign out tile, the user is able to sign out from the application. Give us your like and comment below on how you like the video. If you have a mobile app idea, contact us on contact@yesitlabs.com, or you can call us on 818 334 4799.